Hello.
Let's go. Oh my God.
That's what I'm talking about,
Let's
boy.
go.
Wait. Can you see over
No, I
this?
can't see anything over this right now. Oh, it go down. Oh. Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
Okay, well.
That was close.
So when we were gonna go camping, everyone was like, "Nee, there's a storm. Nee, there's a nor'easter." So I say to that, what nor'easter? Cheers to going anyway. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
This is living. We are indeed wherever we are right now. It's a fire. I'm eating beef lasagna with beers.
This is the most quiet I've ever experienced outside of my entire life.
What else do you want? It's
And
chill.
Yeah.
It's thriving, honestly. Coming back to the whole, me, there's gonna be a storm, don't go camping. I just slept outside. I didn't even pitch my tent. Had the fire. Got cozy. Woke up to this, it was nice. Alright, this may be severely against my better judgment, but it is about like, what was it, like 40 something degrees? Feels like 38 degrees. But, oh, I want to go swimming. That is awesome.
Hell yeah.
All right, fire time. It's not that bad.